Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to easily create a glow effect for your videos in CapCut. So first, just add the video you want to edit, then copy it, and then make one of the video as overlay. Like this. Click on the main video and set the opacity of the video to 0. Okay, click on a check icon. Now click on the overlay and go to cutout, chroma key, and then remove the background color. And set the intensity and also the shadow like this. You can just adjust it how you like. Click on a check icon. Now go back, click on the main clip and set the opacity back to 100. Okay, now add the edge glow video effect. You can find it under the lens category, edge glow, and adjust the glow to how you like. And after that, you'll get that glow effect on your clips. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.